KTM has just revealed a brand new sport bike that looks like a full-blown superbike, yet it's hiding a surprise that nobody expected.
What if KTM just created one of the most aggressive middleweight sport bikes we've seen in years, but launched it in the most unexpected place? After months of leaks and speculation, the new KTM RC 450 is finally here. But instead of debuting in Austria, KTM's home country, or in India, where many of its smaller bikes are usually produced, this motorcycle was officially launched in China. That confirms something interesting. The RC 450 is not just another small KTM built for emerging markets. It's a newly developed machine produced domestically in China as KTM expands its presence in the global middleweight segment. And visually, the RC 450 looks far more serious than previous models. Its aggressive bodywork makes it look closer to a full Supersport machine. In fact, many people online are even confusing it with a larger KTM RC 990. The design clearly takes inspiration from KTM's track-focused machines like the KTM RC 8C, with sharp aerodynamic fairings and integrated winglets designed to improve stability at high speeds. A premium aluminum single-sided swing arm also adds a high-end touch rarely seen in this class. Power comes from a new 449.5 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine developed with CFMoto. It produces 56 horsepower and 40 newton meters of torque, while the lightweight steel frame keeps total weight at just 168 kilograms, promising quick acceleration and agile handling. The RC 450 also features ride-by-wire throttle, a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, traction control, riding modes, and Bosch cornering ABS. Suspension is handled by WP suspension, paired with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires. In China, the bike launched at around $4,800. Now the real question is whether KTM will bring the RC 450 to global markets like the United States. Because if it does, the middleweight supersport category might be about to get a very serious new challenger.